How to remove account restriction on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First step is to open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then from here select settings. Once you're on your settings, you want to tap on account center. Now scroll down and find personal details. Tap on that. Then from there, select Identity Confirmation. Here, tap on Confirm Your Identity. Make sure that you confirm your identity over here. After you've confirmed your identity, you again want to head back to this page. Now tap on Help and Support. Then tap on Report a Problem. Now you want to tap on Continue to report a problem. Now you can tap on either include or don't include. Then from here you want to select profile and then tap on this box. Here you want to describe your issue and say that you have account restriction that you want to remove. Then tap on this paper plane icon at the top right corner of your screen. After this, Facebook support team will be in contact with you and help you fix your problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.